大家好，我是 Judy。我们今天到曼谷东区 Megabana 这个商场来吃午餐。今天吃的这一家是正宗的粤菜，台湾目前也有分店的。我们今天午餐要来吃这一间米其林得奖好多次的餐厅。我们吃饱了，简单的逛一下。其实今天主要是配合儿子到这附近来出差。泰国的百货公司真贴心，逛累了或身体不适可以搭车。
我
刚刚搭了捷运，大概走路5分钟就到金汤森的outlet了。大家跟我一起进去吧。
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Let the days be past, days of trying